I'm in Greece. How you guys doing? €9 ticket to the Athens. That train is here. And if no now, you don't, you know. Apparently I'm in Greece. Let's see what's going on. We got some ruins. Market. Hadrian's library. Acropolis. City on a hill. More ruins. Tourist street. Taverna. €30 to get up there. Let's try it. I'm a food blogger now. This is €6. Halloween Street. Well, my focus broke. No more freaking DJI. We're getting some coffee to wake up. How you doing, George? Why are you scared? Don't be scared, be prepared. Meat market. Rotting flesh of dead animals. Nice upstairs apartments. Flea market. Just a normal market. Nothing flea about it. Buy a guitar. Police on the bikes. Line to get tickets. $35 freaking dollars. I am in. Freaking ridiculous. $35 for this. No laying down. They have free water. I want a refund. Freaking go. Get out of here. Overpriced.
I'm just gonna go that side.
What else can we find in the city? We got a church. Illegal crossing. Parliament. Takes forever. pretty popular event. We're going up. Seems like it's gonna take a while. Pretty good view. They got cool G-Wagons.
Can you please make
Freaking walked from there. We got a church. Who freaking named this? Back to Halloween place. Today's a Friday night, Halloween. Another day in Athens. Let's get to the metro. Let's go. Dimoti Cathedral and church. Church. Merch. Check out the lights. Americano, $243. We got some Greek boats with the fish. It's a lot of fish. Baby boat. Archaeology museum. Ended up at the stadium. Train doesn't open the doors on this side. This is ridiculous. Now I have to wait for another. What a beautiful train. I'm back to the center of the city. We got our boy Theseus. Walking vibrant neighborhoods of Athens. These events. I'm about to take to Singapore tomorrow. That's gonna be new. What's going on? And I'm off to Singapore. See you later, Chris. We got our plane to China. 9 hours.